We have infinite potential locked up within us. What we want to do is learn how to use it for good in our life. This man changed my life probably as much as anyone in all the years I've been here. Leland van der Waal, he introduced me to some enormous ideas. That's a slide of Val working in a seminar that he and I and Mark Victor Hanson, Jack Canfield started. I come up with the idea on a plane. I phoned Mark Victor Hanson. And then we got a hold of Val and Jack and got other people. And we put together a thing called the $1 Million Forum. And the idea behind it was we were going to teach people how to earn $1 million by setting up multiple sources of income. It was an absolutely phenomenal program. Now, we had some phenomenal teachers in that program. I mean, it was really a mind blower. It was so good. And Val, of course, wowed them all. He's gone now, God bless him, but he had such an impact on my life.